Do you know that the average salary of a SEO specialist in India is 4.1 lakhs per annum, where the lowest is 2 lakhs per annum and the highest is 8.5 lakhs per annum? With these numbers, we can confidently say that search engine optimization is an exciting field to explore with an expectation of a good salary package. And you know what? Qualified SEO specialists are in demand as well. And if you're also willing to put in your time and effort into learning SEO and become a skillful person in this field, you can explore this SEO specialization program offered by UC Davis, University of California, Davis via Coursera platform. This course is instructed by Rebecca May and Eric Inch. This is a beginner level course. By spending just 6 hours per week, you can complete this course in 5 months. In this course, you will learn competitive analysis of a web page, develop a solid approach for achieving a productive and successful relationship with your client, create influencer relationships and collaborations, create a final report of your findings and recommendations for the search engine optimization. The skills you will gain in this course are search algorithm, search engine optimization, mathematical optimization, semantics, social media, keyword research, marketing, social media marketing, and content marketing. This specialization has 5 courses. The first one is Introduction to Google SEO. In this course, you will learn about the working of Google, constant changes in SEO landscape and future expectations, and also about core SEO strategies, tactics used for organic search results, and tactics for avoid penalization from Google. The second one is Google SEO fundamentals. In this course, you will learn about the key elements for creating a SEO strategy, including keyword selection, keyword research, consumer psychology, search behavior, and conducting on-page SEO analysis to find the opportunities to improve the optimization of a web page. The third one is optimizing a website for a Google research. In this course, you will learn to conduct an initial audit for presenting your ideas and recommendations and find the ins and outs. This course has hands-on activities to learn selecting and applying keywords in a marketing strategy and optimizing a site for local search. You will also learn the strategies to build effective reports and communicating SEO improvements. The fourth one is advanced content and social tactics to optimize SEO. In this course, you will learn to discover how content marketing and social ecosystems drive search results to a website and how to use the influence marketing to establish the authority of a website. The final one is Google SEO Capstone Project. In this course, you have to choose a website and apply all your keyword research, effective report, analysis skills, and all the other skills. You will get reviews through the peer review process. Now let's see the 4 different enrollment options you have for this program. If you just want to learn for free, you can choose the audit option, which you will be able to find in the individual courses page. But you won't be able to get a course completion certificate and you won't be able to submit assignments or get grades for your work with this option. Anyway, you can pay for one at any time during or after the course to get your certificate. Please note that this option is not visible in UC Davis SEO specialization page. The second option is you can simply purchase this SEO specialization certificate in Coursera, which will give you unlimited access to all the courses included in this professional certificate. And with this option, you can earn a shareable certificate of completion from UC Davis. Note that this option comes with the 14-day refund period and also has EMI payment options. The third option is you can opt for Coursera Plus monthly subscription. This would be the best option if you want to access more than one course in Coursera. Coursera Plus subscription will provide you with unlimited access to 7,000 plus world-class courses, hands-on projects, and job-ready certificate programs from leading universities and companies. So with this option, you can not only access this UC Davis specialization program, but also a lot of courses, projects, specializations, and professional certificates that are available in Coursera and earn unlimited certificates. Last but not least, most courses in Coursera offer financial aid or scholarships, but these may not be available for certain courses. To receive Coursera financial aid or a scholarship, you have to fill out an application with details about your educational background, professional aspirations, and financial situation, and ensure that you abide by Coursera's code of conduct and honor code. So these are the different enrollment options. You can opt for the one which suits you the best. specialist. Hope this program help you in upgrading your skills and accelerate your career growth. Click on the link in description and grab this UC Davis SEO specialization certificate soon. Thank you.